Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to my YouTube unboxing channel. I know it's been a while and I haven't done one, but today I'm gonna be unboxing the Amazon plug. Let me go ahead and turn the camera around here. So today is the Amazon Smart Plug by Amazon. It works with Alexa. Here's the unboxing, what it includes: Amazon Smart Plug for the 3-prong for in-dong use, and you just need the app basically and Wi-Fi. So as you can see, go ahead and open the box here. Sorry guys, I'm using my phone here. Open the box here. All right, here's the smart plug. You got here's the smart plug here. And inside the box, there's not much except for literature. So we got, to set up your smart plug, you must have the latest version of the app. Update the app, download the app. And literature here. It's pretty easy. All you have to do is basically when you plug your device, and then from the app, make sure you have the latest app, then you add it. Shouldn't take that long. And what I'm gonna try my plug with is my AC, my little fan unit. So leave in the comments if you have done this before, but that's pretty much it. There's nothing else in the box here. That's it. Yep. So yeah, appreciate you guys checking in on the unboxing for this awesome plug. I'm gonna try it out. It's Wi-Fi compatible, so I'm really excited to use this. If you guys just jumped on my channel for the first time, go ahead and subscribe, and also click the bell for the notification to get the latest new videos. I appreciate you guys checking this out, and I hope it helped, and check me out on my next video. Talk to you later.